Imagine this as your window to the wild. Here we are standing by the 2025 Wildwood 28VIEW. This unit is part of the Forest River Great Getaway Sales event. This unit is rebates of $14,000 already applied to the price of this trailer. So come on in. You know what? We're gonna go check this out right now. In the living room area here, we have this beautiful couch, sofa. It's like a lounge or two. It does make into a bed, so it helps with your extra sleeping capacity. The windows, these all open. They're huge. I can't bring these up enough. I love them. The entertainment area has a TV and a fireplace and a little secret. Ta-da! Extra storage with automatic lighting. All right, have a look at this this kitchen here. It is a chef's dream. You've got lots of counter space. You've got an island with more counter space. You can have, there's chairs here. You can sit around and eat there. Farm sink with the pull-down faucet. Fridge, microwave, all this good stuff right here. And the fridge is a nice size. It's a very nice 12-volt fridge. Even a built-in spice rack here. In the bathroom, we have a nice vanity with lots of storage underneath it. The backlit mirror and a huge walk-in shower. And a toilet that has lots of room around it. In the master bedroom, we have this Versatilt bed, which tilts up, as you can see, and you leave it for reading or watching TV, put it down, and it also gives you more space around the bed. It is a king-size bed, by the way. Lots of storage, couple of cupboards here, cupboards up top, shelves, outlets both sides, and USB ports. And in here, we have another closet, hanging closet, which is also prepped for washer and dryer for the extended stays. Okay, we'll wrap this one up by saying, hey, this is part of our Forest River Great Getaway Sales event, and it's featuring up to $46,000 in rebates on some units, and we're passing the savings on to you, the customer. Come on in, check it out, Transcona Trailer Sales.